Hi guys, today we will unbox the JBL Flip 6. The latest version has JBL has launched in international market is Flip 7, but it is not available in India. So just now for I have ordered JBL Flip 6 for now, and this is the model I have received just from Amazon delivery. And this one comes with the 30-watt speaker, dual speaker, and dust proof, waterproof, IP67 rating. This is the very good speaker as well. It is having shock proof and very good signature JBL sound. And let's unbox it when I will show you the how it looks like. Oh, very nice. See guys, the very nice photos with JBL has done the very good job. This is American company, manufactured in Vietnam and received in India. So some documents
along with it वही कागज पुस्तकें और कुछ इसके साथ ये है मैनुअल और वारंटी रजिस्ट्रेशन और बस दैट्स इट। और केबल है इसके साथ टाइप सी चार्जिंग केबल केबल है टाइप सी टू टाइप ए
USB टाइप A to USB टाइप C
केबल और दैट्स ऑल। इसको अपडेट बाकी में
और ये है अपना JBL Flip 6, the brand new speaker. It comes with the party boost option, so we can connect along with the multiple speaker via Bluetooth. But it won't comes with the Aura Cast feature, which comes with the JBL Flip 7. And let's turn it on, and I will show you the sound. The quality is good, build quality is good, but the launch is very old one. But it is the only speaker available in India. Flip 7 is available in international market. It comes with the Type C charging port and having the 12 hours long battery. That is the very good point into JBL Flip 6, and now it's connecting. It's very simple.
Oh man.
भीम जमा काली लेके घुमा सरे आम शहर में दुनाली लेके
तो फाइनल वर्डिक्ट दोस्तों इसके ऊपर JBL Flip 6 आफ्टर अपग्रेडेशन ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इट इज साउंडिंग वेरी मच better than earlier. And it is giving the very immersive sound now. The vocals and the bass is very punchier after upgrading the software, and definitely we can go with the JBL Flip 6, not to spend on more money on JBL Flip 7, whereas the JBL Flip 7 is costing very much than this one, is double almost in Indian price. So I recommend most probably you can go with the Flip 6. I like it. Price I got this JBL Flip 6 is 7,200 rupees with some discounts and Amazon sales. This is the short review on JBL Flip 6. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and if you help me, I will appreciate, and I will try to create more content like this. Thank you for watching this video.